Hey guys, my name is Tony Hernandez and today I'm gonna be answering the questions: what are Lightroom presets and how can we use them? So let's roll the intro and let's get this thing started. So we're ready to go. So what are Lightroom presets? So the best way I can describe them is they are like Instagram filters, right? So Lightroom presets are predetermined edits that you can apply to your photo with just one click. Let me explain real quick how these presets can be of use to you. Batch editing: if you have similar photos, let's say you took a lot of pictures on a sunny day at the beach, you can apply a preset to those pictures and that will decrease your editing time drastically. And I'm talking about 50, 100, 150 pictures. Imagine editing all those pictures one by one. Instead of that, you can just apply a preset and you will reduce your editing time drastically. Okay, so next is theme and style. So if you want to follow a specific theme or style for your social platforms, let's say your Instagram feed, you can apply a preset to those pictures and those pictures will become consistent. So they will follow up the theme that you want to achieve. You might have to make a few tweaks here and there, but overall they will have the same mood, the same style. And the cool thing about these presets is that you can use them in any kind of pictures: weddings, portraits, landscape, product display, pretty much anything that you want. And you know, it's pretty cool to know that you have this tool at your disposal, so we might as well use it. So we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I'm gonna drop a link down below with my presets. Check them out and tell me what you think. So you know what to do. Ring that bell, subscribe, like, and see you guys next time.